Hi students, welcome again to this e-commerce video. Last two videos we discussed about e-commerce, e-commerce, definitions of e-commerce. Second video we discussed about scope of e-commerce as well as difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. Okay, so commerce is exchange of goods or exchange of something for value between two entities. Okay, something either may be goods or services, information, money, or anything. But e-commerce is exchange of something through internet or by electronic mode or through electronic mode. Okay, that is e-commerce. So first definition is using the internet for purchase and sale of goods and services. Okay, the second definition is it is include computing and communication technologies for all operations. And the important one is EDI, electronic data interchange. And the third definition is purchasing or selling through electronic communication medium and based on web-based commerce. And the last definition is here we pointed out it is automatic. So using the internet for sale and purchase of goods services, which is useful for automatic transactions, is e-commerce, electronic commerce. Okay, examples were discussed, and scope also we discussed difference between traditional and electronic commerce also we discussed. Now coming into the benefits of e-commerce. So advantage, our meaning is advantage of e-commerce. The first advantage is market expansion to national and international markets. Just imagine the traditional market expansion. The Maruti cars are manufactured at Gurgaon, Delhi and Chennai. Okay, so some other locations in Gujarat also it is manufacturing. Manufacturing locations are 3, but Indian states are 29. Indian states are 29. So at least you look at each one showroom, each state one showroom, 29 showrooms they have to. So in a state, one showroom is not enough. In Hyderabad, if you look at into that, there Varun Motors is there, another some other companies are having the dealership of Maruti. Okay, and some other dealership is coming with the advanced cars. Advanced cars. So many showrooms are opened in Hyderabad to serve the customers. That is expansion of the market. Okay. So suppose if it has to do like that, then it has to take the shops and it has to transport the goods from manufacturing to the showroom warehouse of that particular dealer, and from dealer warehouse to the consumer. Okay. So in consumer goods or electronic goods and industrial goods, whatever it may be, so it is a brick and mortar system. Expansion will take huge investments. Huge investments. If it is not like that, then Maruti is having a one big 2 or 3 storage places, warehouses at a particular in Telangana, and it is asking to come across. Customers has to enter their orders through the website, and through that, after the finance and payments are clear, then the car is delivered from the warehouse to customer. Warehouse to customer. So then the markets, brick and mortar markets, are the shops or showrooms, were reduced to the maximum extent, and the services were given to the local extent. Even the person in Warangal district will get the car within immediate effect. One day or by evening he will get the car itself. So the advantage to the organizations is if they can easily expand to the national level, rural level, international level, national level. One of our doctor, he brought some medicines which are available in foreign country within 2 days for the treatment purpose. Okay, so the products were accessed globally, and customers can get the products, whatever the products they needed, they can get. Okay. Second advantage is reduced cost of creating, processing, distributing, storing, and retrieving paper-based information. Reduced cost of creating. What we have to create? We have to create a market. You take vegetables. Okay, vegetables. Farmer will produce the vegetables, and that will be sent to middlemen who will buy the vegetables at a market, and that middleman will again distribute to the local customer, local retailer. Retailer will be again sell to the customer itself. If it is not like that, the storage facility is available with the farmer, and the farmer can attend the order. Okay, carrot, which is available at a particular place. And then he will the orders for carrot 1 kg, 2 kg, half kg, and that farmer directly. So there is cost of transportation is reduced, cost of wholesale market creation of wholesale market is reduced, retail market is reduced. There is no agriculture market itself. Okay, like that. The cost of all this brick and mortar system is reduced to the maximum extent. Then another one is processing. Order processing will takes place. Okay. So when I put an order at a Malakpet showroom, they will process the order and they will send to the they will enter into local server of the Maruti, and wherever my model is available, from there onwards, from there car will be sent to Malakpet showroom itself. So it takes much time. But for the organizations, for processing the order, it is online. E-commerce help them through processing the online. So whether you believe or not, okay, I got a product, I ordered a product, but I got that product from Pune within 2 days. So my order was executed by the Pune supplier. He packed and sent to my address. Everything is online. I paid money and I got a product. In that from address, I verified that the product is got from Pune itself. So processing is very fast for the organizations, and it is easy to retrieve information, verify the information, audit the information, and everything is possible. And distributing local storages are available. When you look at when you went outskirts of Hyderabad, you will find the facilitation centers of these e-commerce sites. All are fast moving goods are stored at particular places, particular godowns of particular companies, and from there they will process the orders. Whether you believe or not, when you type your PIN code number, it will inform you by evening, today evening, product will be delivered. And if the product is not available locally, and it will take one more day time, and it will inform you that tomorrow it will be delivered to you. So distribution is also very easy to the manufacturers or the wholesalers. And storing and retrieving paper based information. Storing is also, need not to wholesaler need not to be store the goods in his godown, and the retailer need not to be wait for the create the space for storing them. Simply put a table, just have a computer and take the orders and deliver the information. Automatic delivery. Look at the courier services, how they are doing that. Okay. So storing is also advantage to the organizations, and everything is online, everything is recorded, and retrieving information is very easy at any stage. At any stage. Okay. So benefit to the organizations are expansion to the national, international as well as local, and it is reducing the cost of creating, processing, distributing, storing, and retrieving paper based information. Reduced inventories, and just in time manufacturing. Reduced inventories in the sense, okay, if there is no online ordering is not possible, then they cannot estimate how much is demand, how much may be demand. Based on the demand, they can produce the goods. If they don't have an estimation regarding the demand, they produce more, and they keep those goods in godowns. And so, inventory storage or inventory maintenance cost will increase. So, if it is that is okay in case of the goods, industrial goods or some other goods, but you take in the case of medical medicines or pesticides like that, they have some expiry date. They have some expiry date. Okay, so this e-commerce, electronic commerce, which is possible through online, which helps the manufacturers to estimate the demand. Based on that, they can set their production, which will reduce the inventories or storage cost, maintenance cost, like that. Automated business processing. You know, here there is no human intervention, even though human beings are monitoring, but the human intervention are reduced to maximum extent. Which is everything will become automatic. Okay, from order to delivery, delivery is goods were delivered by physical. Even in the corona time, medicines were delivered by American drone company. One company which is manufacturing the drones, it taken a pilot project for distributing the medicines where the customer to the customer address. They executed that project. Okay, in coming days, and if the government permitted to fly the drones, that is also possible. Amazon is trying to tried to deliver pizza to the customer. It succeeded. Okay, so business will become automatic. Business will become automatic in coming days. There is a possibility of manless hotels. Manless hotels are there, and unmanned banking offices are there. Then we are dreaming Google is going to manufacture one unmanned car which is running on US roads. It is in development. Okay, so this is possible in coming days. Now everybody is looking at 5G technology. If such technology is become usage, then all these are possible. You will know, you will have the experience of metro train. Even men or women are in cockpit, but the train is running on a automatic system. So e-commerce benefits are another one is automatic business processing, cost effective document to transfer. Earlier, from one bill to the other bill, okay, na? Final, at least final one. Each every paper work more is there. Now all the documents are electronic mode. Transfer will be easy, storage will be easy, retrieve will be easy. There is no damage to the papers. Okay, it will live long time. You can store n number of years data in the in your storage or server. Okay, so cost effective document transfers, reduce time to complete business transactions, speed up the delivery of time. Okay, so here reduce time to complete business transactions. We need not to worry on the taking the order, processing the order, packing the that everything and delivery. That will be done automatically. The human interventions, less human interventions, that will take place automatically. So our time or the time will be spent for marketing, attracting more customers, or manufacturing the quality product and increase the manufacturing process to produce more goods like that. So which helps the speed up of the delivery time. Goods can be delivered in time or before the time, before the specified time also. Improved customer service. So we are having the experience. I am having the experience from 99, 2000 onwards to here. I had an experience with the how the customer service was improved. Okay, I ordered one product which was applied to me from Mumbai. To replace the product, it took 1 month. Again, I got defected product. Again, 1 month it took for replacement. Okay. Now, once the customer is ordered in website until the delivery, and there is a possibility of helping the customers in each level. Okay. Even the product is delivered, and they will call you and ask about your experience with the product. Okay, I bought a Samsung product long back, Samsung mobile. After I purchased the mobile, I got a call from Samsung customer care, and they asked me about what is your experience with the product. So from starting to pre and post customer service are presently taken care by these e-commerce people, which is a benefit to the organization. Increased productivity, as I already said that. Okay, everything is making automatic. Then the manufacturer or organization will look after to produce the goods with quality, with quality, okay, which automatically productivity may increases. Reduced transportation costs. Local storage will be local, and then automatically need not to store at manufacturer, store at agent, storage at a dealer, storage at a wholesaler, storage at a retailer. At all these places, need not to worried about storage and transportation. Just company showroom will be at one place and orders will be taken at different places and goods are delivered from company showroom to the customers itself. These are the benefits of e-commerce to the organizations, companies. Then coming to the consumers, what are the benefits to the consumers? Consumers means we are end users. Transaction can be done 24 hours a day. Okay. Due to Corona, all the shops were closed. A man was traveled from Kukatpalli to Uppal for atta, wheat flour packet. So that is the joke earlier. But if you need that packet or that 1 kg wheat flour, simply open your mobile, open a app and order that one according to your convenient time, order delivery timings, product will be delivered. Okay, all year round and from any location. You can. I try to get the delivery of products at my village, which is 12 or 20 kilometers to the city, and from city to my village is also delivery. They are offering the delivery, but they told it takes 1 day. So now it reaching to the locations, remote locations also. So customers can have access 24 hours and all around the year at multi locations. And presently, customers have more choices. If I went to Samsung showroom, only Samsung mobiles. I went to Apple showroom, only Apple are available. If I went to Vivo showroom, only that Vivo particular brands are available. Okay. Presently, companies are showrooms are offering different models. Leave it over that one. But in website, when you type a mobile with 5G technology, it will give you more number of choices. So it takes much time to come to conclusion which you have to buy that one. So you may have some limitations of cost and some limitations of screen, some limitations of memory like that. You can buy the products or choose the products. Okay. So customer is having more choice in this e-commerce. Rapid interpersonal communication and information access. Okay. So customer care numbers are provided by the e-commerce sites and customer can get contact at any time regarding the order or regarding the product or regarding the service. So processing information is very fast and easy to the consumers and wider access to assistance and advice from experts. Okay, you look at some about some most of you people, okay, verified the websites for buying the mobile. When you try to buy the mobile, and it will help you to compare with the other mobile which is having with the same features with different price or same price with different features, and it will give you comparison statement which give good advice with the advice. Okay, so that is one of the advantage to the consumers is they can get access and as well as advice from the experts and save shopping time and money. People across the city or across the country need not to travel to buy such goods. Okay, they can get at their doorstep. They can get there at a doorstep. In 94, I think when we want to buy a scooter, Bajaj scooter, we have to travel 70 kilometers. To give servicing also, we traveled 70 kilometers. We booked that scooter and we get after 3 months. Now Hero Honda is supplying the mopeds or their vehicles through online. So customer need not to travel. Travel time is reduced and shopping time is reduced and travel time because of travel time and is reduced. Money is also reduced or saved. Okay. Fast services and delivery. Goods, when it is to be going to delivered, immediately you will be informed. And you will be informed about the where your product is. when you will get like that. So services are very fast itself. So the advantages are, one is to the organizations, another one is to the customers. And coming to the limitations of e-commerce, one is security, reliability, and standards. Many still 1991 onwards, online transactions are going on, and till now people are hacking the information and thefting the information and thefting the secure information, and it is one threat to the online transactions or online shopping or whatever it may be. So here the limitation is security. Okay, reliability. We come across with one word. Don't search the um, customer care numbers of banks in Google. Don't search the customer care numbers in Google. So when I searched the customer care number of Andhra Bank, sorry, State Bank of India, Andhra Bank is merged with Andhra Bank. State Bank of India, there is a duplicate number is coming. When I called them and I explained my problem with them, they are trying to solve my problem and throwing me into another problem because they are not real customer care executives. Okay, reliability is one of the problem. Standards is another one. Insufficient bandwidth. Even though India is have the experience with the 2G, even 3G, 4G also, India is not satisfying with this bandwidth. Indian people are not satisfying with this bandwidth. They are eagerly waiting for fifth generation, which is very fast. Okay. So here one of the telecom signals or communication barriers also there. Rapid changes in software development tools. Many changes are coming in software. So integrating the hardware with the software and changing the software and day by day or month by month, it is a costly affair to the organizations. Difficulty to integrate the internet and electronic commerce software with the existing applications and database. Just now I told that. Okay? Software is changing, but hardware is not changing according to that. So one of the difficulty to integrate them with the electronic websites and databases. Vendors require special web servers and other infrastructures. Okay. Once the software is increasing, and according to that, they cannot change the servers and other infrastructure. That is one of the problem. So for that infrastructure, one advantage for the 5G is 5G is whatever the 4G cabling is there, OFC cables are there. With those OFC cables, we can transmit to 5G signals. That is the advantage. So infrastructure investment is not required, not that much required for the 5G. So once the technology is changing and infrastructure investment will become more, and that is a tedious job to the companies to invest in infrastructure. Incompatibility of certain operating systems with certain hardware or software. Old systems are there. Old, even the laptop which we bought now, then will become obsolete or cannot work, integrate with the new operating systems, new softwares after 1 year or 2 years. Even you can find with the mobile phones. And particular operating systems, 12.1 or some, you cannot get WhatsApp. So what we have to do? We have to change our mobile to get the WhatsApp. So students, we learned three things in this video. One is advantage to the organizations, advantages to the customers, another one is limitations to the e-commerce. Okay, students, see you in next video.